Paul Brady reporting for BTV for Mr. Ogunquit. How you doing? Greatest parade I've been to all year. Unbelievable. Fabulous. And I'm going to win the 2020 or the 50-50. So, listen, this is a great parade. All come down here to Kermesse and have a great time.
Who you got around you?
Oh, these are my kids here, and Kate, Mike, Keith, Brooke. I'm sorry, this is Kevin. These are the Ecclestons back here, Molly. Hi, Molly. Say hi, Molly. Woo! Good girl. Here we are.
Go ahead.
Mom, no, wait. Can I have my mom down here for a minute?
Go ahead.
This is Mike Stackpole live here at La Kermesse Festival here. We're enjoying all the people. Everyone like it here? As you guys are getting a live shot of the happy people here for the La Kermesse, we got looking down the road, we got the Biddeford Marching Band here. We're all enjoying it and having a lot of fun, and we thank you, BTV. We really appreciate all your effort in this festival.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Hello, we're here live in Biddeford reporting for BTV. We're enjoying a lovely parade today. Behind us we have the Biddeford Tiger Band marching in wonderful rhythm here, and we have the Flag Corps ahead. More from our other reporter.
Actually, what just went past us was a big float from steps to steps. I believe that's what it says on the side of it. And I think coming up is some more horses with some more, looks like decorations on the back. Boys, you want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi. Well,
Introduce yourself.
my name is Elliot Hughes, and, well, I guess this is the most exciting parade I've ever been to. Well,
What do you see?
I see lots of cars that I like. I see people that I like costume. I see costumes that I like, and I see a lot more. Well, this is very nice.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm Zachary, and here we are at Biddeford at the parade. And this is the crowd we have here. Take a look at my cousin Chelsea. And this is my brother Casey.
What do we got coming? What's coming?
The car van. This is the nurses.
All right.
That's
Say your name one more time.
Zachary.
Simon signing off.
Signing off for now.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Kelly Pelletier, and I'm reporting for BTV, and we're watching a parade right now. Some cars just went by, and more cars coming.
Little lull in the action right now. Introduce
Yep.
somebody in the crowd. Find out.
Okay, Sarah, come right down here. Okay, how do you like the parade?
It's okay.
What's your favorite that you've seen so far?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
I don't know. I like them all.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Joanne Landry, and I am at the La Kermesse Festival in Biddeford, Maine.
Introduce me.
And this is my sister, Annette.
How are you? Nice to meet you.
And this is my sister, Pris. And
You're the Landry sisters.
I'd like to say hello to my mom and dad.
meet you. Hi, Mom and Dad.
CNN, eat your hat out.
We're at the Kermesse facility.
This is my boyfriend.
What do we got coming? What's going on?
What's coming is the JFK Tiger Cubs. Yay, kids!
Yay.
Woo! What else to say?
Hey, we're on TV.
I'd like to introduce one more person. This is my lovely daughter up here.
Jenny, come on down. Jenny.
Say your name.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and I like home.
And who's there with you?
My dad and my sister.
And Nancy.
And Nancy.
And
too.
Elaine.
Yeah.
Hello. Enjoying the parade.
Anytime. Go ahead.
My name's Calvin McElwain Jr. I'm down here with my daughter and my girlfriend. It's my daughter Alexis, 10 months old, and
What do we got coming?
BTV's coming down with the state police, and this nice little state trooper vehicle here.
Usually you see them in your rear view mirror.
Yeah, only for speeding though. State troopers right there. Say hi, Alexis. Say hi. BTV, say hi. Say hi to the state troopers. Say hi. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Say hi.
Okay. Hi, I'm Susie Zader from Gorham, and this is my friend Shell. Say hi, Shell. Hi. And we're at the parade.
I like it.
It's great. And, you know,
What do we got coming?
we got a big old Mack truck coming. Yeah. With some people on top. And a beach umbrella. Beach umbrella. Good looking beach umbrella. Very fine. And there's a white picket fence on that truck. With some stuff and, well, I hope I get some candy because there's some kids coming with some candy.
Yeah. Okay,
So-
wrap it up.
Well, Gorham just playing rules.
Yeah, Gorham's best, but we love Biddeford too, and this is a great parade.
Yeah, it's a really good parade.
Got some candy.
Yeah. Take a look. Shop and save! Woo! We're all doing it.
I'm not starting this.
I'm Michelle.
I'm Mindy, Missy, Heather,
Jen. Amy.
This parade is hopping. This parade is cool. They're good farmers.
Yeah, it's wonderful. It's wonderful. It's been a lot of fun. We're enjoying ourselves.
What TV? BTV?
Free food, candy, everything. You've got everything.
Yum.
Everything.
It's BTV at the Kermesse here. How you doing? Come on down. We're going to have a great time. Patio Cowboys tonight at 8 o'clock. Raj and Ray's Sunday night at 8:30. It's the only place to be. À la Kermesse. À la Kermesse. Ici, on danse et puis on va à messe. Je sais que tu chantes ton bon, mais veux-tu du drum sur les chadrons? J'ai une mal de tête, et voyons donc, demain c'est la kermesse, c'est la kermesse, c'est la kermesse. Un festival sur la rue de la Ouest. À la kermesse, à la kermesse. Ici on danse et puis on va à messe. Amène ta sœur et puis tes frères. Ici on danse et puis on va à messe.
Okay.
Hi, my name's Charlie Hughes, and I'm reporting for La Kermesse, and this is the best parade I've ever been to.
All right, who you got here?
This is Mary, and that's Melissa, and Robin, and Nicole, and Kimmy.
All right, thank you very much.
It's Jim Morrow from Gray, Maine, reporting for BTV.
Hey, what's going on?
Just watching the parade, having a great time.
All right.
It's a very good parade.
Hi, Greg Powers reporting for BTV. We're having one heck of a time here at the La Kermesse. Check it out on BTV.
Okay, go ahead.
What do you want me to say?
Introduce yourself and tell me you're reporting.
All right, we're reporting for
And your name?
PBT, Priscilla and Stasoff, and we're here to celebrate La Kermesse. And this is my family.
Oh, great. Hello.
Hi. And my grandchildren.
Okay, we need the microphone up so I can hear you. There.
Oh, well, these are my grandchildren. Children.
Yeah.
And maybe they want to say
No, I don't want to say
but hey, we're going to have a good time for the next 3 days.
All right.
This is Rachel Poisson from Biddeford, Maine. This is La Kermesse of 1996.
All right. Nice job. Nice job.
Hello!
Set the scene here for me. Set the scene.
Oh, you want her?
Anybody? Okay, go ahead.
Here we are at Waito again at the La Kermesse Parade, and we're talking. We're here with Pris Gay, and she's the treasurer of La Kermesse Festival, and she's been treasurer now for 6 years?
No, for 8 years.
8 years, I'm sorry. So what'd you think of the parade?
Fantastic.
And what else?
Oh, it's wonderful.
What'd you think of your president and what he was riding in?
Oh, I love that little wagon. I love the horses. I mean, I'm not sure if they were adequate, but...
Wouldn't it be nice next year if we'd have the whole executive board riding horse and buggy?
Yeah, that would be fun.
We'll get that message to him. No, it's been a lot of fun this year. There's a lot of people along the parade route. I bet you there's got to be 25, 30,000.
Oh, definitely. At least 5 or 6 deep in some ways.
Yeah.
Down on Graham Street, I think there were about 5 or 6 deep. Yeah, fantastic crowd.
Was the the castle? Oh yeah, I believe we talked about before. But Pris, why don't you touch upon vocational school? The kids working on the castle.
The kids built the castle at Biddeford Regional Vocational School, and I think they did a marvelous job. And I hope that next year we can expand on it. I know there are plans to expand on each side. It's wonderful.
Isn't it?
Yes.
We're going to be around for the 15th?
I'm going to be around for the 15th.
You said that with a smile. She's not tired yet.
Not yet.
Ask her Sunday night.
Sunday night I might say, no, I won't be around.
Thanks again. See you next year.
You don't want to talk?
I would like to introduce my family. Over here I have my sister. Denise, say hello to the crowd. Hello. Over here I have my cousin. Her name is Monique. My name is Doris. We are here to enjoy our French tradition. I've been French since the day I was born. Over here I have my brother-in-law, Bob.
Hello, hello.
Say hello, Bob. We are all French people. My husband is hiding in the crowd. This is my cousin's husband here. We're all having a good time. Over here is my husband, Jerry. Excuse me. I'd like you to meet my husband, Jerry here.
How do you do?
He's been a very good husband for 32 years. We are having a good time here at La Kermesse, and all of you people who haven't come down, be sure you come down this weekend and enjoy the festivities. Thank you.
Okay, introduce yourself, so you're reporting for BTV. Go ahead.
Hello, this is Bob McKinney reporting for BTV. We're here at the La Kermesse Parade, and we have some lovely Huss team coming by right now. And thankfully, there's nothing else coming out that shouldn't be, and we're all enjoying the parade here. Everybody's waving and having a good time. And that's all for now.
Hi. Okay. Hi, I'm a reporter from BTV. I'm from Warren, Ohio.
And what's your name?
Greg Gania.
All right. Why are you here?
I'm here visiting with my family.
Where are they?
Right here.
All right, let's meet them. Let's meet them. Introduce them.
Okay, here's Nicholas.
Yeah? And who else?
And,
Go right up to him.
Okay.
I'll follow you. Don't
okay.
worry.
Okay, this is Margaret.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
And this is Christina.
Hello.
Hello.
And his sister.
And what do we got coming?
Huh?
What do we got coming? What's coming?
I think some marching band here.
Looks like
All right. Sign up. Tell me your name one more time.
Okay, well, this is Greg Gania for BTV.
We're the Angels from Biddeford. 1, 2, 3. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you. We'll smile until then. Happy trails to you.
À la kermesse, ici on danse et puis on va à messe. Je sais que tu chantes ton bon, mais veux-tu du drum sur les chaudrons? J'ai une mal de tête, et voyons donc, demain c'est la kermesse, c'est la kermesse, c'est la kermesse. Un festival sur la rue de la Ouest. À la kermesse, ici on danse et puis on va à messe.